Hello everyone and welcome back to the 4D Systems YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import a video into VisiGenie, adjust it to fit your display, and set up basic playback controls, all without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. Let's begin with a new VisiGenie project. First, choose your display and the development environment. Today, I am using a Gen 4 ULCD 50DCT, but this process is the same for any Picasso or Diablo 16 based module. Now that we are here, to import a video, open the System Media tab and click on the video object and place it anywhere on the screen. Once you have dragged the widget onto the display, the File Explorer will appear. From here, select your video file and it will instantly load onto the preview screen. You can reposition the video by dragging it or by adjusting the left and top values in the Object Inspector. To resize the video, grab the red handles on the edge of the preview or edit its width and height values. Keep in mind, your maximum size depends on the resolution of your display. To edit the video, make sure that the video item is selected in the Object Inspector, and then click the video option near the bottom here. This opens the Image Video Converter, which is your main tool for trimming, cropping, and resizing your images and videos. You can crop the input by adjusting the left, top, width, and height values. You can also select a specific frame range, perfect for isolating just the portion that you want to appear. On the output side, resize the video to fit your screen while keeping the aspect ratio consistent. The next step is to set the frame delay. The frame delay determines playback speed. So 25 frames per second is about 40 milliseconds per frame. 30 FPS is around 33 milliseconds. Make sure you keep this value in mind because we are going to add a timer object which will need the same delay value. So to actually play the video, we need a timer object. You will also find this in the same System Media tab. The timer's onTimer event should send the video 0 next frame command. This tells the video to advance 1 frame every time the timer fires. And just by doing that, the video will now play once I upload it to the display. However, I also want to add some basic options and playback controls. So to do that, I'm going to use buttons and a track bar to build play, stop, next frame, previous frame, and frame scrubbing, all without code. So if I drag in some win buttons onto the display, and then I set their onChanged events to timer 0 play and timer 0 stop for the play and stop buttons, and the next button sends video 0 next directly. This will mean that when I press play, stop, or next, the timer will be triggered accordingly. So when I press play, that will trigger the timer widget, which will then cause the video to play instead of it playing when the form is active or the display is turned on. Next, I want to add a track bar that lets the user jump to any frame. So I'm going to drag that onto the screen here, and I'm going to set the minimum and maximum value to be the same as the amount of frames that I have in the video. If you are not sure about the amount of frames that you have, you can just select your video object and the frames will be displayed here as well as your delay. You can also use a custom digits object to show the frame number that is being displayed using the video 0 onChanged event. Once everything is set, compile the project and upload it to your display. Your video will now play with the interactive controls that you built. And that is how to import, crop, resize, and play video on a 4D Systems display using VisiGenie. If you want to see more tutorials like this, check out the rest of our series. Thank you for watching and see you next time.